Now that you know how to graph quadratic function, let's proceed to analyzing the effects of changing the values of a, h, and k in the equation y is equal to the square of x minus h plus k. This will help you to graph the quadratic function easily. Mas mabilis nyo rin ma-visualize kahit na makita nyo lang yung equation. So the parabola opens upward if a is positive. Kaya in this example, we have y is equal to x squared na upward ang direction ng opening. And downward naman if a is negative. In here, we have y is equal to negative x squared, wherein a is equal to negative 1. Itong dalawang example ng graph na to ang gagamitin natin as our reference sa mga susunod nating example ng characteristic ng parabola. The graph of y is equal to ax squared. Ito yung red na parabola na nandito sa gitna. Take note that its vertex is always located at the origin 0, 0, and its axis of symmetry is at x is equal to 0. Malalaman mo din gamit ang value ng a kung gaano kalapad ang ating parabola. So, it narrows if the value of a becomes larger and it widens when the value of a is smaller. So, ibig sabihin, habang lumalaki ang value ng ating a, ang ating parabola ay kumikitid ng kumikitid. Next natin is the graph of y is equal to ax squared plus k is obtained by shifting y is equal to ax squared. So again, ang reference naman natin dito ulit ay ang y is equal to x squared. So base dito, malalaman natin kung nag-shift ba pataas o pababa ang ating parabola base sa ating k. So, mag-shift siya upward if our k is greater than 0 or if k is positive. Mag-shift naman siya or mag-move downward if our k is less than 0 or negative. Take note that in the graph of y is equal to ax squared plus k, its vertex is located at point of 0k and its axis of symmetry is at x is equal to 0. Next naman natin, the graph of y is equal to a times the square of x minus h is obtained by shifting y is equal to ax squared, h units to the right if h is positive, and the absolute value of h units to the left if h is negative. Take note that in the graph of y is equal to a times the square of x minus h, its vertex is located at the point of hk, and the axis of symmetry is x is equal to h. So, ibig sabihin yan, malalaman natin ang pag-shift ng ating parabola from left to right kung titingnan natin yung value ng h. Next, the graph of y is equal to a times the square of x minus h plus k is obtained by shifting y is equal to ax squared. So, dito, ang movement ng ating reference is sabay na. Hindi lang siya up and down, hindi lang siya left and right. Kundi may up na at may left-right na combine. So, To determine kung ilang movement niya pa kanan or pa kaliwa, tingnan lang natin yung h. H units to the right if ang h natin ay positive, at the absolute value of h units naman papunta sa left if our h is negative. While yung k naman, dito natin malalaman yung movement niya pataas or pababa. So we move k units upward if k is positive, and the absolute value of k units naman downward if k is negative. Take note that in the graph of y is equal to a times the square of x minus h plus k, the vertex is located at point hk, and its axis of symmetry naman is at x is equal to h. So, para mas madali natin matandaan yung mga binasa ko kanina, pagkumparahin natin itong equation in vertex form at itong ating reference parabola na y is equal to ax squared. Itong A ang nagsasabi sa atin ng direction of the opening of the parabola. If A is positive, upward. If A is negative, downward. So, dito sa graph, A is positive. Ganito naman if A is negative. Positive, negative. Itong A din ang nagsasabi or tinitingnan natin para sa width or lapad ng parabola. If the value of A is larger, mas makitid. If the value of A is smaller, mas palapad siya. So, dito tayo sa graph. A is increasing in value. Ayan. So, pakitid siya ng pakitid ng pakitid. Mas kumikitid siya. Mas lumiliit yung opening. And if E is decreasing in value naman, makukumpara mo yan kapag meron na tayong equation. So, if A is decreasing in value, ayan. Yung opening niya is lumalaki ng lumalaki. Ang H naman ang nagsasabi sa atin kung ang parabola ba ay mag-move or nag-move pa kanan o pa kaliwa mula dito sa ating origin o dito sa ating reference parabola na y is equal to x squared. So, pansinin natin itong ating illustration. Tandaan lang, nakabaliktaran ang sign sa direction, ha? Kapag negative ang h, ang direction ng movement ng parabola ay pakanan. Kapag positive ang h, ang direction ng movement natin ay pakaliwa. Yan. Next naman natin, ang K ang nagsasabi sa atin kung ang parabola ba ay nagmo-move pataas or pababa mula sa ating origin. Positive K, magmo-move siya upward K units. Negative K naman, magmo-move siya downward in the absolute value of K units. So, pansinin ulit natin itong ating illustration dito from our reference parabola, which is y is equal to x squared. Ayan. O, ito. Obserbahan nyo ang equation at ang parabola, ha. So we have y is equal to x squared. Pataas, plus 1 ang k. Yung plus 1, yung tumaas natin kanina, nag-move pa kaliwa, kaya nagkaroon ng plus 1 dito. Nag-move ulit, nag-plus 2, pero isang beses lang ang itinaas niya, kaya plus 1 pa din dito. So, dalawang beses nag-move pataas, at dalawang beses nag-move pa kaliwa. Kita nyo? So, balik tayo rito sa y is equal to x squared. Nag-move ng pakanan, negative 1. Nag-move ng pababa, nagkaroon ng negative 1 dito. Naging negative 2 dahil nag-move ulit pababa. Nag-move pa kanan. And those are the effects of changing the values of a, h, and k in the equation y is equal to a times the square of x minus h plus k. Pumunta naman tayo sa ating task. Sa learning task 6.1, multiple choice lang yan. Pag-isipang maigi ha, huwag manghula. Sa learning task 6.2 naman, ay gagayahin nyo lang yung mga examples doon sa last natin. Na-discuss ko rin naman yan dito sa ating video. Siyempre, naturuan ko na kayo kung paano makukuha yan na i-review nyo na lang uli yung video kung nahihirapan kayo. Sa last, mali yung pagkaka-encode dito. Hindi ito 6.2 ha. Ito yung learning task 6.3. So, alam nyo na anong gagawin. Ito ay isang what I have learned task. Isusulat yan sa coupon band. Okay? And that is our lesson for this week. See you again next time. Ingat and God bless.